Okay, I mean, I did a whole bunch cameras over there. Okay, I did a whole bunch of driving. I went through a whole bunch of bump and potholes and bumpy bump to make sure that camera is still up there. I did at least 3 miles of driving, and I'm gonna like edit the thing so you can see how far I went to see if the camera stayed in place, because that was the next test that I wanted to give the adhesive thingy to make sure that it will stay put. Now, I don't know if my camera is up there or not, but I am going to go and find out. Yes. Here we go. If it's not up there, I just lost like over $100. I got more. So, I just got off the graveyard shift again. I guess I'm not going to go to church. I'm going to go home and sleep after I make this video. So, I'm going to try and do this again. And this time, I'm going to apply the proper adhesive. So, here's the adhesive bottom part. Okay. Here's the camera. And you really need to use it in its waterproof case if you're going to be putting it on any surface, because the waterproof case is the only thing that will hold it. Okay, and so on top of the waterproof case, you have your little hole buttons on top where you can push and still operate this camera. Peel this off. I'm gonna be making more than 2 outdoor videos, so I just slid that on there. And I think if you loosen this up a bit, we might get some pivot action going on. But it is extremely tight, and it comes with a screw, so I guess I need a screwdriver to loosen that up a bit to get some pivot action, which I don't want no pivot action right now. I just want to get this thing rolling. So here we go. Let's roll. Let's roll. How about we just roll? Okay, we can do that. Okay. It's very... Now, this is not metal like the hood of the car, so that is really good. I think that is right on me. All right, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. I've done enough talking. Let's go. Pretty amazing. I forgot to put lotion on my hand. So there it is. So let me try and take this off and turn it around. So slide back and, oh my goodness, it don't want to come off. It has a powerful grip. Grip that sucker and rip it off, dash. I got it off, but I got it off with a fight. You know, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on right now. Like tourists everywhere. Okay. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Like drive with one hand and get videos of all these lovely tourists as I drive? I want to see how it's getting people who are walking. So here we go. Are you guys looking? Hunties and huntos? What I'm doing? It's in my hand. That is how I get the 360, 480 kind of a thing. Here's a big ship. Yep. Here's a big ship. Here's these lovely people. Wonderful people. I just love the tourists. Little stop sign, but I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to go. She didn't put it on my pathway. I'm free. Go in there and get a video of all those beautiful flowers. It is amazing. The flowers are beautiful. I wish that was my yard. The cup. I hope he didn't see me recording with one hand and drop it with one hand. I'm doing a pretty good job too, but I don't think it is safe. I would not recommend it. This is like the new generation where we freaking talk to the cameras and phones and they talk back. I'm gonna rip this off. I'm gonna rip this. I hope I'm getting it. I ripped it off. Who's buying gas? Who's buying gas? I don't need gas. You can see still got some stick. Not much stick. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm out here with the camera here. I'm gonna clean that. See how hard this, let's see how hard it will be to take this from the hood and put it in a different place. See that I've ripped it off twice, it should be easier. Nope, it is very strong. Okay, I got it off with a lot of strength, and I'm not a weak person. Okay, so I'm gonna put it up on top here, put this camera up here, and now it's higher on the car. So I am here in the cemetery, and awesome, check it out. It's like 2 wild deers. Venison. That is